Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to dive into the mind-bending world of the square -1 cube, the puzzling sensation that's here to challenge your every move. Invented by the brilliant minds of Karel Hršel and Vojtěch Kopský in 1990, this twisty puzzle takes the classic Rubik's Cube to a whole new dimension. Featuring not one, but two movable layers that can be rotated independently, the square one tantalizes your senses with its mesmerizing transformation. But don't be fooled by its deceptively simple appearance. The square -1 is the ultimate test of your mental prowess and finger finesse. With 24 movable pieces and a dash of colorful chaos, it's your chance to conquer the cube and claim the title of a true square -1 master. Step into the spotlight and join the ranks of speedcubers worldwide, as they battle against the clock to solve this tantalizing twisty enigma. Embrace the challenge, and let the exhilarating journey begin. Can you unlock the secrets of the square -1 cube? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-boggling content.